My name is Don Smith. I am the Beneteau Outboard Boat Sales Manager for North America, and today I'm going to be presenting the brand new Beneteau Flyer 23 SPACEdeck. This new boat is a center console design, and as the model name SPACEdeck implies, it has plenty of space on board for people and gear for a great day on the water. Let's step aboard and take a look at this brand new boat. The first thing you know when you step aboard is the large swim platforms. Perfect for water sports activity. Under the port side swim platform, you have a telescoping swim ladder that detracts into the water to be able to have easy boarding. You'll also notice on the transom of the boat, just a wide space, you have a cooler that self-drains overboard. Your shore power hookup for your battery charger and running electric on board your boat. 2 rod holders for those of you that like to fish. Going over to the port side of the swim platform, you'll notice you have your transom shower, your fuel fill, your walk-through transom gate for safety purposes. You have cup holders on the aft part of the boat for a total of 8 cup holders for your beverages throughout the boat. One of the great features on this boat is your aft transom bench seat. In a stationary position, you have a full transom bench. Then it actually retracts to give you a little better comfort as far as your seating. And then it folds all the way down into a full sun pad. Stepping in the cockpit, you have 2 side bench seats that actually fold down. There is a table that fits into the cockpit. The 2 Helm seats turn around to be able to have a total of 8 people sitting around the table for social seating. Also in the cockpit, you have 3 spacious compartments that are all lockable. It's perfect for storing safety gear, anything that you need for a great day out on the water. Let's walk to the bow and see what we have forward. One of the first things that you notice when you go forward is the amount of space that you have in the bow of this boat. You have a clean walkway all the way to the very front of the boat where you have your windlass, and it's an easy place for you to step on and off the boat. Very easy to handle lines from here, very safe. You've got a nice bow rail, low profile that goes all the way back to the console, gives you a lot of safety there. With the bow table, you have very comfortable seating for 6 people to sit around the table from a social seating standpoint. Underneath both of the forward bench seats, you have great storage compartments with a lot of capacity. Let's move to another great feature on the boat, the large console cabin that is nicely tucked by the helm. This console cabin features a large acrylic door which is lockable and very easy to access, and great headroom within. Inside the large console cabin, you have a marine head, your battery switches, your Fusion stereo controls, and you have the ability to have an optional refrigerator. Being at the helm, one of the first things you'll notice is the overall size of the helm. You have plenty of seating with the 2 bucket seats, plus you have the optional leaning post. One of the first things that you notice when you look forward is the protection that you have at the helm. You have the optional T-top, which protects you from the sun and the weather, and then you have the large acrylic windscreen while you're running the boat. As you look forward on the dash, you can see that you have the Garmin GPS chart plotter with fish finder for navigation and fishing purposes. One of the great features that you notice at the helm is the quick bow thruster. This is an option that Beneteau offers starting at 21 feet. It's a great feature for your navigation and docking purposes. Also at the helm, you have your instrument switches, your Mercury SmartCraft gauge, your Mercury throttle, and of course 2 cup holders for the captain and the mate. As we make our way to the back of the boat, I want to talk to you about the performance. The Flyer 23 SPACEdeck is equipped with the brand new Mercury V8 300 horsepower Verado engine. Performance on this boat on a cruise is going to be anywhere from 30 to 35 miles an hour with an overall top speed of 50 miles an hour. One of the features that you have not seen on the boat is actually the best feature of all. It is the patented Beneteau AirStep 2 hull design. The great benefits of the AirStep 2 hull design is that it's quick to plane, minimal bow rise while you're actually accelerating, great seat keeping ability, and obviously the overall performance of the boat. Thank you for joining me for this quick walkthrough on the Beneteau Flyer 23 SPACEdeck. Please check out Beneteau.com for more information and contact your local dealer to step on board today. Thank you.